Hello and welcome to the program. Please subscribe and support our channel. We'd really appreciate it. So let's get right into it. Alright, today, before we look at the charts, let's look at the indices and see how the markets were doing. The down day, very slight down day. The Dow down 0.12%. S&P 500 down 0.16%. The Nasdaq down 0.45%. Crude oil up 0.89% to 73.50 per barrel. That's WTI. The 10-year yield 3.57. So it's going up from 3.51 to 3.57. Relative strength of the dollar 102.43. It has been coming down in the last 30 days. It's been a downtrend. We were up at like 105, so down 102 to 102. So let's dive right into the charts, take a look. Alright, here's the S&P 500. And let's see, here's where we finished today, which is still holding nice in this area. There's a range of support right here. And it's trying to break out of this range here. That's the range it's trying to break out of. It's gone higher and got rejected, higher, rejected. So what we're getting now is a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, but we did not go to a lower low. So we're still kind of on this, in this wedge right here. It'll be interesting to find out what happens. Is it going to break down or is it going to break up? I guess we're going to have to find out. Let's take a look. QQQ representing the Nasdaq. Let's see, we'll go to the beginning of the year, which is right there. So what you see right now is the whole year. And yes, it's still holding up support nicely. It's we got a support level. We'll draw a little trend line here. Wow, that's pretty strong. See, we got a bottom tail here. So the bears, the sellers tried pushing it down, and the bulls, the buyers came up, and you see that bottom tail saying, "Nah, we push it back up." That shows strength. Even though it's a red candle, it does show some strength. And again, we're just trying to break out of this high up here. Be interesting to see what happens with the Nasdaq. It's been really strong lately, so we'll have to find out and see what that does. And let's try some bank stocks. Well, actually, okay, we'll start with Bank of America. A down day, 1.3%. So it closed here yesterday. It opened here over with pre-market trading. Closed down here to 28.10. So we still got this downtrend going on here, but it's trying to hold this area between 28 or between 29 and 27.70. So we'll have to see what happens with that. JP Morgan. Actually an update, 0.30%. Nice. Holding strong in this area. I mean, it did have a sell-off in the beginning of the year here, so it did start out higher. So they're down. And let's see, oil. We got Oxy, big raise today, 4.29%. Occidental, that's 4.29%. Wow, that really gapped up over hours, after hours of pre-market. So it's holding this range real nice. And BP came up 1.49%. Gapped up. Pretty impressive. So it's holding these levels. We'll have to see what happens with the news coming out on Friday. Are they going to break down to $34 from $37? We'll see. U.S. Steel, ticker X. There it hit resistance. I'll zoom in on this. Past resistance, came back down. So right now it's holding this resistance area. And we'll have to see. Let's see, Tesla had a down day, 1.37%, not much, but it's still holding these levels. Still in this trend area here of a downtrend, but it's starting to level out. This could be support right here at 169, 170. And it's definitely, it didn't like breaking the 200, so we'll have to see what happens with Tesla. AMD down 2.12%, which I kind of would expect. It's been really high, so there it is there. Working its way down, holding these levels here. See if we back out, if that shows any, yes. Showing these levels here around 94, 95. Meta down 1.06%, so there we had a nice little drop there from Meta. Any news for that? No. What's this? Facebook insists that it benefits news industry economically as California lawmakers press it to pay publishers. Interesting. Let's see how NVIDIA is doing here today. Small down day, 0.46%. Still holding these high area right down to the support, which was a high trend line. And you can see the bottom tail of this candle right here. And definitely has that bottom tail, so support came in and said, nope, we don't want it coming down here. And see that support level is drawn off of here. Wow, so that's doing impressive. So we'll have to see what happens with that. Amazon down 0.82%, so it's still holding this area. We'll have to see. Usually in May, the saying is, sell then go away. In May, we'll have to see. AT&T, small red day, 0.79%. Intel went up 0.38%. Not bad. Intel's been getting hit hard. They have a not so good outlook for their next 5 years, so we'll have to see. They're building this huge plant in the States here. Silver, up day, almost 1%. Nice. Well, the dollar's dropping, so we'd expect silver to come up. We'll get up here to 22.50 to 21.43 now. So I think it will, as long as that dollar keeps coming down. Apple down 0.40%, small day, but it's still holding nicely. Microsoft is down 0.42%, still holding this high area here. Let's back this up a little bit. Yeah, they're definitely got this nice little uptrend going. There's a trend line. Actually, let's move this a little bit. So it isn't an uptrend, but it's in the high area of this trough here. So we'll have to see what happens with Microsoft. Palantir, PLTR, small red day, 0.5%, down to $8. So it's still holding the support level, which is pretty nice. That's impressive. And other than that, well, if you want to, some people always they ask me to cover the small caps. Small cap, low float stocks. Let's see what came up today. Let's see here. VKTX up 69%, up to 1579 right now after hours. Now most of this happened 6 in the morning. That big shoot up. But nevertheless, if you got in around market open, was around 1238. Still a nice run to the 1525, 1530 area. That's pretty impressive. A lot of money was made there. OSCR up 52%. Well, it gapped up right in the morning, down from $3 to $5.67 right now. That's where it closed. But it did make a high of $6.82. So if you got in market open at $4.90 up to around $6.75, there was plenty of room for profit there. And there's another one here up 42% is PYXS. Ooh, nice run. Nice ride up. So from around $3 to $4.19 is a high. Then you have this trading area here. So you could have always been buying at $3.76 and selling around $4.12. So, you know, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. That was nice. Oh, AMC is actually fourth on the list here, a 13% increase. Oh, okay. There we go. Oh wow, okay, that ran up at around 1:15 in the afternoon from 472 to roughly 539. That's a nice move. Not bad. So that's it for this low float stocks. And we'll just end up back here on the SPY. That was intraday right here. Okay, TOS is still thinking. There we go. Kind of choppy, but around 2 o'clock, it started coming all the way back. That was nice. Real quick on the QQQ, see how that looked for daily intraday trading today. So it started down, down, up, down, sideways, down, up, and it kept going up. So basically around 2 o'clock, it just started heading up. Not bad. From 304 to 307. So that's it for today's program. Again, please support our channel. Just click the subscribe button, the like button. I really appreciate it. YouTube likes it. I like it. So thank you for watching.